Delight yourself in the Lord, and he will give you the desires of your heart. Psalm 37 verses 4. Hello beautiful family, warmest welcome back again to the Lovista channel. I trust you're doing so well and you're taking really good care of yourself. So today is the easiest jollof recipe that you can ever find, spaghetti jollof. It is actually very delicious and super easy to make, and this will end our jollof series for the year. Please stay tuned while we make this together. This really requires a few ingredients. I have here my spaghetti, it's around 700 grams, and I have here my all-purpose stew, which I have also shared a recipe of. I'll link it right here, so you do check it out if you've not watched it yet, okay? And I have some veggies here as well. I'll season it with a bit of curry powder and nutmeg and some salt. That is all that you need, fam. Really easy. So in my pot goes in my stew, which I will scoop about 3 ladles. I don't want too much stew here, just 3 ladles will be fine for me. I'll just go in with a bit of grated nutmeg and some curry powder. To revive the taste of the stew, and once that is done, I'll go in with some hot water. Because the stew has been fried and cooked perfectly, I do not want to stress it too much. That is the reason why I use hot water instead of cold. I'll allow it to simmer through for about 1 minute, add some salt, and then add my spaghetti. Really easy. So now goes in my spaghetti, and to my Italian family, I broke the rules. Yes, I went ahead to break the spaghetti, and it was heartbreaking for me to watch and for me to even do it. I had to get things done faster, okay? Mi dovete perdonare, ho infratto le regole, and anytime that anybody breaks the rules, definitely they change the game, okay? So I went ahead to add a bit of warm water and went ahead to stir it. Make sure everything is well incorporated, and just like how I would do to the rice, I'm going ahead to do the same to the spaghetti. You do not want to use lots of water because it's going to remain very saggy, and I do not want that at all. Ew, no, I don't want any saggy spaghetti here, okay? So I went ahead to cover it with some parchment paper, allow it to slowly cook. Don't turn your heat on, just allow it to slowly cook for about 7 minutes, and it will be ready, I promise you. To make everything even look beautiful, I went ahead to cut some few vegetables, which are the bell peppers, some red and white onions, and just make everything looks popping. So right now it has been cooking for the past 5 minutes and looking amazing already. So I'll go ahead and just add few veggies in here, all the vegetables that I chop. I even went ahead to chop some fresh parsley, and trust me, this few addition of the veggies and the parsley makes a whole lot of difference. It smells amazing. You really need to try this. So easy to make. I had my lovely sis come over, so I had to put something quick, and this was just a win-win for her. We are going to cover it and cook it through for additional 2 minutes. You just want the infusion of the veggies and everything to just come in harmony with your jollof, and let me tell you, it is amazing. It smells so good, and the spaghetti was cooked to perfection. It's just a must try. Very easy, kids favorite. Everyone will love this, trust you me. There you have it, family. It is so ready to be served. Just have a look at that. And we did this just under 10 minutes, okay? It was just the best thing ever. The best jollof, quickest one you could ever make is spaghetti jollof, and of course we had to pair it with some lamb ribs, and let me tell you, fam, it was just the bestest of all the best, okay? That combo was just perfection. I really hope you try this, family, and I promise you, you are going to love this. We had an amazing, chit chat girl time. It was just the perfect thing ever. We had an amazing time. So there you have it, family. Thank you so very much for watching. I do hope you enjoyed this recipe, and if you did, please do not forget to give me a thumbs up. And if this is your first time here, hello, my name is Lovia from Lovey's Touch. My main goal here is to cheer you up into making your own delicious meal right at the comfort of your home. I also love to share kitchen related motivational videos, so please come on board, subscribe and join the family for amazing new recipes every week. Thank you so very much, family, for watching once again, and I will see you again in my next video. But before that, just know that you are so beautiful just the way you are. See you.